As we've been reporting all day, European and Asian markets posted a very deep sell-off today. Couple that with sharp drops in U.S. markets this year, and a lot of people are talking about making defensive plays. What do you do to make a defensive play right now? Well, you turn to our panel of experts. Chuck Jaffe, he's the senior columnist for Market Watch, and Drew Kanaly, he's the chairman of Kanaly Trust. Drew, I want to start with you, because for most of this year, indeed for the last year, 12-month period, I've been hearing that a defensive play is to put your money overseas, put it into the other markets, because they're going up even if America goes down. Doesn't seem to be working at the moment, now does it?
No, it doesn't seem to be working, and they're going to experience a slowdown just like we do. I mean, their markets follow cycles as well. And what you're seeing probably right now is sort of generally a global slowdown.
Chuck, let me turn to you.
Drew, my concern is that international stocks, it's not just recently money's been going into them, but the inflows to international mutual funds have topped domestic for 3 years running. And what happens now that these markets are tumbling even more than the U.S.?
Well, what you're seeing are just some changes in the valuations. I mean, the Chinese market in particular had really reached valuations that we haven't seen since the dot-com days. So you see an unwinding out of that stock market, and it's coming out of just all the markets right now, because right now what you have is just the entire market trying to reprice itself to some type of recessionary level. They don't know what, but that's what they're trying to price in immediately.
Drew, if you have new money to put to work, does it make sense to put it in cash right now, even though cash is not paying you anything?
It absolutely makes sense to put it in cash right now. We're looking, if you look out further in maturities, the 10-year is approaching levels we haven't seen since 2003. So cash is definitely the place to be right now.
Okay, Chuck Jaffe, thanks for that, and Drew Kanaly, both of you fellas.